Welcome back to Miss Kim's Home and Garden. Today we'll be planting up one of the 6x6 garden beds. Here's one of the 6x6 garden beds I'll be planting up today. This is the compost pile that's built right into the garden bed. It's called a keyhole garden bed. And you'll take all your kitchen scraps and waste and add to this and turn it into compost to add to the garden bed. I'll be planting kohlrabi, broccolini, Brussels sprouts, lettuces, and Swiss chard. We'll be spacing these out 8 inches apart. There's one. That'll be 2. I'm now getting the last 2 broccolini plants planted into the garden bed. And now I'm going to plant a row of Brussels sprouts. I'm planting 5 different varieties of lettuce. And the varieties are New Red Fire Lettuce. One is Lettuce Great Lakes. One is Red Romaine Leaf Lettuce. One is Butter Crunch Lettuce. And the other one is Romaine Leaf Lettuce. Inches. Here, actually. It's really windy. This bed is now planted up with Brussels sprouts, broccolini, kohlrabi, Swiss chard, and lettuces. This bed here, I planted up 6 pepper plants. I hope you've been inspired to start gardening. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.